Welcome everyone to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike. Thank you so much for joining me today for this quick morning yoga flow with gratitude. Let's just begin in a nice standing pose in the middle of your mat. Once you get there, let's just take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And then from here, let's bring our palms together at our heart center. And before we begin this practice, let's just take a brief moment to express some gratitude. Whatever comes to mind personally, just express it. For me, I'm grateful for this moment. I'm grateful for my yoga practice. I'm grateful to be alive and healthy and to be able to practice this amazing experience that they call yoga. I'm grateful for all of you watching from wherever you are in the world. Your support means absolute world to me. Just think of whatever comes to mind that you're grateful for and just let yourself feel that. From here, smile. Set your intention for the day ahead. What would you like to manifest in your day today? Feel it, see it as already done. Now let's bow our heads. Perfect. So we'll begin doing some sun salutations here. So let's begin with our feet about hip width apart. They can be together if you like, but in the morning I like to keep my feet hip width apart. So from here, let's come into a chair pose. Weight back on the heels. Kind of test out your balance here a little bit. But you should be able to see your toes in front of your knees when you're in this pose. So we'll inhale here. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up to halfway left. Exhale, fold it back down, step it back into plank. And from here, we'll either come into a high cobra by slowly lowering our stomachs down, flipping the feet. Inhale, look up. You can also go into upward facing dog. Exhale, let's bring it back to down dog. And let's take a second to pedal it out here. Stretching out those hamstrings. From here, let's bring our right leg forward, step it up. And from here, we'll inhale, high lunge. Finding your balance. Take a breath here. And when you're ready on your next exhale, pivot the back leg. Come into nice warrior 2. Breathe here, smile. And on your next exhale, keep your legs where they are. Let's lean back into peaceful warrior. Grabbing your left leg with your left hand. And then from here, let's straighten our front leg. Come into a nice triangle pose. Looking up if that's accessible to you. On your next exhale, let's come back into warrior 2. Perfect. And then swing our arms down. Step it back to plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, or high cobra. Exhale, down dog. Again, take a second to pedal it out. Come back to your breath. Now from here, let's take our left leg forward, step it up, find your foundation, inhale, come up to high lunge. Take a breath. Your next exhale, pivot your back foot, come to warrior two. When you're ready, keep your legs where they are. Lean back into peaceful warrior. So from here, let's strengthen our front leg. Come down into triangle pose. Look up. Exhale, back to warrior two. Come down, step it back to plank. Lower down to upward dog or cobra. Exhale, back to down dog. From here, let's step it forward to another forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, back to chair pose. Exhale, back up to mountain. Hands to heart, and then back to our sides. Just take a breath here. From here, let's inhale, lift our arms up. And let's cross our hands, our fingers together, pointing the index fingers out. So it's like you're holding a gun, try to Charlie's Angels. So inhale, bring your arms up, try to lock your elbows at your ears. Basically, we'll just rock back side to side from our right and our left, waking up the body. Perfect. From here, come back to center. Bring your hands to your heart. And again, we'll inhale, lift our hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Step your legs back to plank. Chaturanga, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to down dog. From here, inhale, let's bend our knees. Exhale, hop forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Now from here, let's inhale, very slowly roll up through your spine, stacking each vertebrae. Your chin is the last to lift. Beautiful. Now from here, let's inhale, lift our hands up. Exhale, fold. And in this fold, take turns, straighten it or straightening each leg. So let's start by straightening our right leg, keeping our left leg bent. Feeling a nice stretch in our right leg. And then bend the right knee, straighten our left leg. And then just go back and forth. Now from here, let's step on our hands by placing them underneath our heels. So your pinkies of your hands are touching. And let's just forward fold here, hugging your forearms close to your knees and your calves. And when you're ready, slowly pull on your heels with your hands, lifting the hips up towards the sky. Exhale, you can take your hands out. And from here, let's step our left leg, our left foot back about 3 feet. And let's just fold here over our right knee. Try to bring your forehead to your right knee and then look up towards your belly button. Perfect. Let's bring our left foot back to meet our right, and then step our right foot back. And then same thing on this side, forehead to knee. Perfect. Let's step our right foot back. And from here, we'll inhale. Halfway left, exhale, step it back to plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, bend the knees, step or hop it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, down dog. Forward fold. Inhale, lift the hands up, exhale, hands to heart, breathe here. Perfect. So we'll finish this sequence by doing a balance pose. So let's come into a tree pose. So let's place our feet together. Just make sure we have a nice foundation here. And then when you're ready, put all your weight into your left foot. Let's bring our right knee up. And if this is enough for you, that's totally okay. If you want to, place your left hand at your heart and then push into your left leg with your right foot, then push into the ground with your left foot. Finding a steady gaze out in front of you. Perfect. Let's bend our right leg again, and then step it forward, or step it down to meet our left. From here, let's place all our weight in our right foot. Lift your left knee up. Stay here. Or grab your left foot, push it into your right leg, bring your hands to center. If you fall, we will catch you. Finding a steady gaze out in front of you. And then your left leg, take it down to meet your right foot. And you're all set. Thank you so much for joining me today for the short little morning practice with gratitude. Hope you all have amazing days. Let's bow our heads. Namaste.